So this year, for my New Year's resolution, the big one, I am going to live on $100 a week until March 1st. And the reason I've set it for March 1st is because I'm going to take a little vacation, a little trip. You'll be with me too. And I know that I can do this. I know I can. What will be excluded is bills, because I have a totally separate bills account. This will be what is just in my bank account. $100. This will include food, other costs, and gas, of course, stuff like that. So $100 a week. And one reason I'm doing this, wow, that's loud. One reason I'm doing this is because I have been watching Southern Frugal Mama for a long time. And as you can see, I'm a big fan of hers. Right here. Yeah. I watch every time she does a video. And if you haven't subscribed to Southern Frugal Mama, go over there and do that, because she's awesome. It's a family of 5. And she stretches a lot. And I'm sure she saves a lot of money. And then I started looking at the things I spend on and what I spend, and I'm like, wow, I think I could really save up a lot of money if I would do $100 a week. So join me for that journey. My second biggest New Year's resolution is to do more videos like the ones I've been doing recently, where I travel to like my happy place, which is right here in beautiful Cumberland Gap, Tennessee, and other places. But this is one of my favorite. This and Gatlinburg are my favorite places to go. And there are so many trails here. You could hike every day for a week and still not complete all the trails. It's a wonderful place. There is Gap Creek Coffee House over here that is amazing. I have never gotten anything from there that I didn't like. And I think I've tried every flavor of coffee they have. But they also have lunch and dinner and all kinds of food. And let me tell you, I'm not joking. It was the best peanut butter and jelly sandwich I have ever had in my life. Came from Gap Creek Coffee House. That was in another one of my videos if you want to watch that. But it was amazing. I have never tasted peanut butter and jelly that was so good. I don't know what they did to it. I know the bread I think was homemade, and I don't know about the peanut butter, I don't know about the jelly, but it was amazing. Best I've ever had. So that is my second New Year's resolution. Do more videos. Visit more places like this. Which is going to be hard in the winter months. But right now, it's winter months and it's 73 degrees outside. And me wearing a long sleeve shirt, it's hot. But, yeah, please like, please subscribe. And let me know where your favorite places are to go and to hang out like this and to get away for a little while. Let me know in the comments. And if you want to drop me a video link in the comments, do so. I promise I'll watch it. So, Happy New Year, and hopefully 2026 will be an amazing year for all of us.